This is our review for week 9, day 2. Okay, we're still working with those fractions. Juan ran 1/3 of a mile each day for 4 days. Remember that each tells me to multiply. How many miles did Juan run? So I'm going to do 1/3 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. My denominator stays. And that matches B. Number 2, which number sentence is true? We've been working on this in class. 1/3 is greater than 4/5. Well, 1/3 is less than half. 4/5 is greater than half. So it's not A. B, 8/8. Well, that's the same thing as 1. And 1 is greater than a half. So that one is true. And let me just double check. 9/10 is less than 3/5. That is not true. 9/10 is bigger because it's almost at that 1. And here 5/6 is less than 2/3. Again, that is not correct because 2/3 is the same thing as 4/6 and 5/6 is bigger. Number 3, Rudy worked on his homework for 3/4 of an hour per day. That's the same thing as each, so that means multiply, for 6 days. Which expression can be used to find the number of hours Rudy spent? Well, we just said to multiply 3/4 and 6, which is letter A. Okay. Number 4, look at the model below. Which scenario could it be describing? So it looks like I've got half of each of these, and there's 4 of them. So I need something with a half and 4. This one is 1/3 in 2 days, so that doesn't work. This is 1/4 for 3 days, so it's close but doesn't work. 4 baskets on 4 days. Nope, those aren't 4 full amounts. So talked on the phone for half of an hour on 4 days. So those are half hours, and there's 4 of them for my 4 days, so my answer is D. Number 5, if each student will eat half a cup of ice cream, and there are 27 students, and there's that word each, how many cups of ice cream will be needed? So I'm going to do 27 times 1/2, which gives me 27 over 2. And then these are a mixed number, so I need to turn it into a mixed number. So 2 can go into 27 13 times, which is 26. So there would be 1 left over. So I get 13.5, which matches C. And letter 6, 7/8 times 5. Well, 7 times 5 is 35, and my denominator stays. So I got 35/8. Okay. That is our review for week 9, day 2.